Hello everyone, welcome to this second day of daily bug bounty challenge. Today we're going to continue the process of recon. As you can see, we're going to now write down the interesting endpoints, just like this one. Uh, you can see this endpoint get back to us a JSON file that just tell us about health of the application. So for the rest of the at first we're going to install golang. So let me write down before continue recon install golang, and we copy and paste in here. Okay, now let's continue. In meanwhile the installation of golang, let's get back to the entire process. In the verb, we get back to the proxy clear. Let me tell you what I'm going to do. And if any modification happen, I'm going to continue the record or fill the gap between and repeatable works for more practical. First one is we're going to check all the link that proxy captured, then get back to the Firefox and check all the links we found via Google, we found via Bing, and anything that is gathered via Dorking. Then we go to the Wayback, that maybe in here. We're going to the Wayback machine and check each one, then write down any interesting endpoint. Then we do this job at least for a couple of days, maybe till the end. Let me note that we're doing this process until we're going to the right place, then we're trying to do some test. Then when the test is correct, we're going to write down the report. Then I show you the process of writing report, and that's it. So after installing Golang, and check for the Go version that install with this command, Go version. As you can see, the Go version in here. Now we should go and wait a minute. Okay. Okay. As you can see in here, and open up this, and we install the subfinder. That is a project of project discovery. Is company, as we tell them, company have bunch of great tools that is fantastic, as you can see in here. So very popular in the security field and very helpful. So after that, trying to install subfinder and let the Kali cook it and get back in here. For now, let me tell you what I've done for now. This is the Bing dorking that we work on them. But I think what happened if we're trying to search for any TLD and this gave us nothing. So let's try to do this on Google. and see the result. As you can see, some of them are cool, but what if we saw such a thing like this? We don't want it. In this step, we should filter them by manual, like like as you can see, it doesn't look like for the Escobar at all. Healthy structure American poppy for sale. I don't think this is what we look for. Okay, as you can see, this approach is so suck, and it doesn't matter what we looking for in here, escobar.com. Okay, so it's okay, it's fine, escobar.com. Thanks. But what if we trying to do this? What happened here? And I think we have a low functionality in here. What if we search for this? And from my observation, I think this domain, this specific domain, it's for now just for some call, some evaluate in the backend, or for some API calling that is not front in our eyes. Okay, we not find anything. We are not finding anything. Oh, let me check this. As you can see, this is for install correctly, and after install this, we're going to gather all the subdomains, and I'm going to show my script that do some interesting jobs, and it's very helpful to find the subdomains for a specific domain. And that's it. Let me show you right now because of the low speed of this. We're going to do this right now. GitHub. Okay, GitHub. So after installing Golang and check for the Go version that install with this command, Go version. As you can see, the Go version in here. Now we should go and wait a minute. Okay. So this is the script that I wrote with help of the internet, Google, AI, and anything that helped me to get faster and specified my time to the get dirty with the base and the concept is the golden tip. When you have struggling with a concept, best way to learn it is to create that thing on your own. It's very important. If you are learning networking, go and install simulation to see what a network is in organization in anywhere. If you are going to understand the web application developing concept, you should develop a web application. So this is the repo. Mm, you can read this readme later, but this structure should be applied like this. we write down the program. Let's show you. For now, we just want to find specific subdomains for the scooper.com. So cd to programs ls rm rf anything. Yeah. For now, nano just it dot txt. And in here, we add the domain we are working on it, like this. Okay, yes, okay. Now, as you can see in here, we have this step, and this is our modules. So, when we run the script, okay, we have a problem in here. What is it? Request exception, connection. So, this is the answer of our problem. We should install the Go-based tools for this script run. Correct. Struggling. Finally, I found the problem easily. If I count the numbers of set this shit in my profile of terminal, count as more than my hair. But again and again and again, I'm going to search it. So everything installed correct, expect some little thing that is the go path that we, after set this, we can look at this, we can run any go based tools from anywhere like this. So for now everything is all right, and in here we just python thexrecon and enter. So I hope this worked correctly. If it's not gonna work, we absolutely going to the SSH server and gonna work from there. But again and again, what it say? Okay, okay. So after the script get us all the results, we're going to do some interesting works like DNSX on them for subdomains, and then mm, run nuclei to do service discovery for them. For today, I think it's okay. For tomorrow, I hope the internet is kind with us and everything goes well. Until tomorrow, bye.